Welcome to Exploring in Color, the May 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit by Stampin' Up. Each kit that comes every month has everything you need inside of it to complete that kit. This particular kit has enough to make 9 cards, 3 different designs, 3 in each. I'm Nancy Dodge. I'm a Stampin' Up independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. This is what the box looked like that came this month, and inside of it has everything I need: cards, envelope, stamp pads, stamps, embellishments, die cuts, banners, glue dots, dimensionals, everything that you need, including the instructions. So as you can see, it makes 3 cards, 3 of each, with coordinating envelopes. And the envelopes are really pretty. As you pull things apart, it tells you what pieces go with which of the 3 cards. And I've sorted that through. So as you can see, like card number 1 tells you to put this happy birthday stamp on this banner. And then the little dots are glue dots. And then I don't know if you can see the little hexagon pieces. Those are dimensionals. So I'm going to show you how to put this one together. So here are the pieces, and I have my happy birthday stamp already mounted. Wrong color. My copper clay ink spot, and I'm just going to gently ink that up. Don't press too hard. You'll catch an edge and then you'll be upset. This is from practicing. I suggest that you practice before you do it, unless you're pretty proficient at stamping. Alright, there's happy birthday. So the directions have glue dots on the back of this banner. So I'm just going to peel off 2 with my fingernail. This is like double-sided, round, double-sided tape. So there are it's sticky on both sides. And the directions tell me to put it slightly at an angle underneath that tent. And then the happy birthday, to put dimensionals on. So I will do that. And then it also has twine. There's the twine, and it's got 12 inches, so I'm going to go ahead and measure that and cut it, and it just wraps around a couple times. And it's going to sit right there. So I'm going to pull my dimensionals off and stick it over that first banner and then adhere that down. So this is straight. And then the binoculars have another dimensional on the back, and they just pop right over here on the end. So there's our first card. The next one, this card, this banner, this die cut, and this little extra piece, and it has also about, I think, 14 inches behind it. So I'm going to cut that, and this banner says it doesn't matter where you're going, it's who you have beside you. So I'm going to ink that up. Center it over my banner. And then this has the glue dots on the back. And it gets centered up here in the sky. and dimensionals on the back of the sentiment banner, and this rolled up again and just kind of placed over the banner. And then I'm going to center this down on top of the twine so that the twine stays. And then this cute little compass also has a dimensional on the back. Peel it off and stick it up here. And there's card number 2. Card number 3 has 20 inches of twine. And the banner says, "Life is meant for good friends and great adventures." So I'm going to ink that up. Just tap it all around. Try not to catch your edge. Center it. There we go. Alright, now this piece here has this twine wrapped around it. So I'm going to hold the end because I'm going to tie a bow when I'm done, and just wrap it around several times. And then tie it in a bow. Years ago, I tried to teach myself how to tie the Christmas ribbon without having to have my little brother hold the string for me. And now it's come in handy. Just a simple bow. My fingers are too big. There. So this is going to go with glue dots right down the middle. The directions have right in the middle one on the bottom and one on the top. Flip over this piece, peel the backs off, center this. Whoops. And then put dimensionals on the back. Peel off the backings. And the directions tell you to put it in the top right hand corner, like that. So there's the third one. So I'll show you the cards with the coordinating envelopes. Oops. There we go. Aren't those pretty? Now there's also an add-on kit that's available for an extra charge, and it includes 18 cards, 3 of each of these. 1, 2, 3, and each of those have coordinating envelopes. Now in addition to that, there are other stamps that are in this stamp set. Let me put something white behind it so you can see. See that? So I took and cut some of those, colored them in, fussy cut them, and made a scrapbook page. So these are not die cuts, these are the stamps. I just stamped them out, colored them in, And these are cards that I cut up. So this is the front of the card and this is the back of the card. I can just add 2 pictures in there. So I try to do that for every kit. Well, I hope you can join me next month. Anybody that subscribes with me, we get together the last or the 4th Sunday each month on Zoom to put them together. Other people bring some kits along. So if you have a kit, you're more than welcome to join us. If you need any more information, then don't hesitate to contact me through my website, ybstamp.com. Until then, happy stamping.